Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to make hilarious dancing elf videos right on your iPhone or Android for free. So whether it's for a laugh with friends or creative holiday card, these animated videos are super easy to create. That's it, let's get started. So first you have to download the Elf Yourself app on your iPhone or Android smartphone. Don't worry, the app is available for free. And once you have successfully downloaded the app, launch it. And then you have to tap on the Get Started option. And then you have to tap on Camera Roll option to choose an image from your photo library. Or you can tap on Take Photo option to snap a photo and use it for creating an exciting elf video. The app will instantly crop your face and place it in the frame. However, you can also fine-tune the face placement so that it looks perfect. For instance, you can pinch to zoom, turn to rotate, and even drag to move the image. And once you have perfectly adjusted the image, tap on the next option. And then you can add a suitable greeting like Happy Christmas. And finally, you have to tap on Let's Dance option and you are all set. Now go ahead to watch your dancing elf video and share it with your loved ones. And yes, if you want to re-edit the video, just tap on the edit button and then edit your video to your heart's liking. And that's pretty much it. Your very own dancing elf video is now battle ready to share with the world. Whether you are sending it to family or posting it online or just saving it for a good laugh, it's a perfect way to add some fun to the season. Now don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss more creative and festive tutorials from our channel. Thanks for watching and happy holidays. And I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.